శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము 741st డే. ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము థర్డ్ పర్వం, వనపర్వం ఆర్ అరణ్య పర్వం, 13th chapter. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Vaisampayana Maharshi teaching Sriman Mahabharatam to Janamejaya Maharaju, saying like this, O Raja, when Pandavas are looking at Krishna, Krishna saying like this, O Dharmaja, if I was there in Dwaraka nearby to you, I would not have let all this happen. I wouldn't have let this Dyutam gambling thing happen. Agacheyam aham Dyutam anahutopi kauravaihi ambike yena durdarsha rajnya duryodhanena cha. Even if I was not invited, I would have still come over there and show all the consequences, bad effects of gambling to Duryodhana and Dhritarashtra and all the people over there. I would have called down Bhishma, Drona, Krupa, Baklika, Dhritarashtra, everyone, and tell them that this is not right. O Dhritarashtra, let your sons not play this gambling. I would have tell them. O Dharmaja, desiring women, gambling, hunting, and drinking. These are drinking alcohol. These four comes out of kamam. With this, everybody will get destroyed. Out of four, all the enlightened people says gambling is very dangerous, because in one day, everything will be destroyed with this gambling, and it will lead to so much grief. Even before we enjoy the pleasures, all of our wealth will be destroyed with this gambling. And I would have definitely tell all these things to Dhritarashtra Maharaju. If I was there in Dwaraka, I would have come down and tell everything and let this kind of bad things not happen. O Rajendra, if they did not respect my words, I would have definitely forcibly stopped them. If they did not listen to me, I would have killed all of them in that assembly itself. And now I do see all this already happened. When I came back to Dwaraka, I heard about all this through Satyaki, and immediately agatosmi tvam drashtukamo visampate. Immediately started from there to see you. Like that, Sri Krishna Paramatma saying to Dharmaraju. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our parents. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our Acharya. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vedavyasa Maharshi. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vigneswara Swami. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to the divine scripture Sriman Mahabharatam. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us meditate upon Sriman Narayana, who is there within our own heart. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram and sing the glory of Sriman Narayana. Sriman Narayana 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 Sriman Narayana Narayana Narayana. Sriman Narayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma and gave us Bhagavad Gita and asked all of us to do 8 things. That is why let us respond back to Sriman Narayana saying that we will definitely do those 8 things. O Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.